Good morning, Year 6. It is time for your maths lesson, and just like all maths lessons, we've got some mixed maths to start you off with. So you've got 4 questions there for you to have a go at. See if you can solve them, and we will go through them together as a class in a moment. So you just pause the video now, have a go at them, and see if you got the right answer. Okay, so we're looking at some place value first of all for the first 3 questions. So number 1 says round this number to the nearest 10, 328. Now remember, when we're rounding, we're looking at which column each of the numbers are in. It's in the ones column, the tens column, the hundreds column. So rounding to the nearest 10. And this 2 is the one that is in the tens column. So this is the 2 that's in the tens column. Remembering, we look 1 to the right, we look next door at the 8. Now remembering, if a number is between 0 and 4, we round down. If it's between 5 and 9, it rounds up. We can see that this is an 8, it's between 5 and 9, isn't it? So it gets rounded up. So the underlying number goes up by 1, the 3 drops down, stays the same, and this 8 turns to a 0. So 328 rounds to the nearest 10, 330. Looking at number 2 now, rounding to the nearest 1,000, we need to have a look which of these numbers is in the thousands column. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. It's this 3 here. Remembering, just like question 1, we look next door, it's a 3. It's between 0 and 4, so it gets rounded down. So the underlying number stays the same. Number to the left stays the same. Everything else turns to zeros, gets rounded down. So 43,318 rounded to the nearest 1,000 is 43,000. Looking at number 3 here, what is the value of the 6 in this number? This is the 6 here. What is the value in that? Which column is that 6 in? So going from the left this time, we've got the millions column, 100,000s, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. It's in the hundreds, thousands column, and there are 6 of them. So the value of that 6 would be 600,000. Looking at number 4, got a BIDMAS question, remembering the order of BIDMAS. Brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So we go through BIDMAS. Is there a B for brackets? Yes, there is. 6 times 6, 36. Indices, yes, there is. 8 squared. Remember, that is not 8 times 2. The answer is not 16. It's 8 times 8. It's 8 multiplied by itself. So 8 times 8 is 64. The addition symbol comes down. 64 add 36. You might be able to do it in your head, but you can double check by doing into the column method. 6 add 4 is 10. Add up these numbers gets you to a nice round 100. So that is the answer for that one. So it is time then, Year 6, to start our lesson.